I'm not exaggerating when I say this. I tried a lot of Temu coupon codes. Some worked, some did absolutely nothing, and some looked like they worked until checkout. So instead of guessing, I tested this properly so you don't have to waste time doing the same thing. Before we start, I've put the working Temu coupon code right here on screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's what I learned after trying all of them. Most Temu coupon codes fail for one simple reason. They're never activated correctly. People copy a code from somewhere, paste it at checkout, and when nothing happens, they assume the code is fake. That's not how Temu works. Here's the method that actually worked every time I tested it. Step 1. Click the first link in the description. This part matters. The link connects the coupon to your account. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Step 2. Scan the QR code with your phone to activate the coupon. If you're on desktop and can't scan, no problem. You'll also see a coupon code you can enter manually for the same discount. Once that's done, the coupon gets added to your account. Step 3. Shop like normal and add items to your cart. At checkout, tap available coupons and make sure the coupon is selected manually. When I skipped that step, the coupon didn't work. When I selected it, the price dropped instantly. That's the difference, so instead of testing random codes, use the working one on screen and follow these steps. Click the link, activate it properly, and save yourself the headache. If it worked for you, comment below. I want to know I saved you some time.